Sixth experiment. So go to the terminal. So it is a wireless scenario. Sorry, wide scenario. In the wide scenario, same as if like the fifth. This is the sixth one. Same as if like fifth experiment, you have to create sender, receiver, base stations and mobile stations. Okay. So I'll create sender. Then in between we have a mobile stations and workstation. We have two mobile station, one N1, N3, and we have destination N4. So connect by the link. So connect by the agent TCP. So connect by the sync. Application is FTP. So connect TCP to sync. Similarly TCP1 to sync 3. Then what you have to do is change the setup of the bandwidth. So go to the link. This is 3. This is 1. This is 1. This is 3. Just verify. Yes, it is 3. Now go to the parameters. Say by the name. Okay. Yes, 6. So it is 10. Simulation time you can increase here 50 itself. Here itself you can change. So what the name of the trace file you want to generate is 6. The network animator file that you have to generate is 6.nam. Done. Generate the TCL file. So TCL file is generated. First immediately save this by the name s6.tcl. Fine. Save it. So I will do the modification to this TCL scripts in gedit. So I'll close this. So gedit s6.tcl. So I open again. Once again, I'll open one more file. Already I have, that is gedit 5 new.tcl. So this one I have done this for fifth experiment. So I have both the TCL files, fifth and sixth. So what are the changes that you have to do in s6.tcl? So simulation is 50. So I have to add the general parameters. That is the first to be added. This one is to be added. Since it is GSM, you have to replace with UMTS. So I just copy paste. Copied. So what you have to do here is, instead of the type of option type is GSM, UMTS. 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 Only this itself is a change. The rest of the thing again, as if like in the fifth experiment, what you have to do, So you have to, instead of, see, I'll just show you here. When you have the node definition, you have set n0, no? So you have to do is n nodes of n0, nodes of n0. Everywhere, wherever we have n0, so you have to replace it by the nodes. Okay. So what I'll do, I'll just copy paste the same. So set nodes of n0. So I've just replaced it. So in the link definition, you have to remove the q limit. And what is the modification? Wherever $n0 is there, nodes of n0, nodes of n1 you have to do. And this you have to write within the procedure called topology. So see, that is called procedure called cell topology. You have to write within this topology. You have to write this. Since it is already there, I'll simply copy paste. See, remove the q limit right within the procedure. Okay. Okay, I've written it. This is not needed. And coming here, TCP sync, we have to write same as if like SAC1, select acknowledgement 1, SAC1, select acknowledgement 1. Then wherever this one is there, node, so we have to replace with nodes of n0, nodes of n0. Okay, this is being done. So wherever nodes is there, you have to change it. Then you have to use the sync. Okay, and you have to change the FTP time. Fine. So this you have to change. Okay, save. As if like in same in the fifth experiment, what we did, the same thing has been done over here. Save. Okay, now you could see the animator file, network animator file. Run this animator file. So I'll close this. Now it is, you have to show the awk file. So awk file. So I'll write generated s6.awk, and the trace file is also generated, that is s6.trace. So s6 awk is not there. So I'll use the same 5.awk which has been written for the previous program with respect to 6.trace. So you could see the throughput that is being generated. This itself is an experiment for a sixth. You have to display the throughput same as if like in fifth experiment. The major changes what I have shown you is you have to, in the first page, that is in the first simulation parameter setup, where we have a GSM keyword that has to be replaced with the UMTS. Nowhere changes has to be done. Okay. Rest of the thing is same. The switch statement where we have three kinds of type, that is GSM, UMTS, and GPRS, that has to be written as it is in cell topology. That is create topology we have.